Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. Now, first of all, log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't done so already. Then use your credentials, and once you are logged in, hover over to My Account at the top right and click on Settings. Now, from the settings page, you will find various different options. However, there is no direct option to delete your account. So click on Support at the very bottom by scrolling all the way down. Once you click on the Support button, you will see the support tools. Underneath Account Management, you will see Account Deletion, which you can click on, and now you will be given a warning, which tells you that there will be a 30-day grace period. You will be asked whether you are the original creator of this account. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Yes, and then click on Start Deletion Process. Once you click on this, you will be shown your account name as well as your Riot ID. Click on the Confirm Start Deletion Process if you wish to delete your account, and if you have confirmed this decision. You may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password or by clicking on the authentication link within your email address. So check your inbox and click on the link that you see within that is sent by Riot Games. Once you click on this link, you will be logged out from your Riot Games account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this, you will have to wait for 30 days, and by this time, you should not log back into your account. Otherwise, the deletion process will be cancelled. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.